Hey everyone, welcome back to Travel and Tales. Today's adventure is one we didn't even plan for. But you know what? Sometimes those are the best ones. We stepped out for what was meant to be a casual stroll through Leiden, and as luck would have it, we walked straight into the heart of something special Open Market Day. And wow, what a delightful surprise! First of all, Leiden itself is such a beautiful, clean, and well organized city. There's something really calming about the way everything flows, from the quiet canals to the historic buildings lining the cobbled streets. And the bicycles, they are everywhere. I've honestly never seen so many bikes in one place. It's like the whole city run on two wheels. It adds so much charm and character to the scene. From the moment we turned the corner, the atmosphere shifted. The quiet morning hum gave way to a vibrant chorus of life. You could hear the animated chatter of shoppers, the warm tones of Dutch mixing with English, and the occasional laughter of a vendor sharing a joke with a regular. It felt like the whole city had gathered here, not just to shop, but to connect. For a bit of context, Leiden Market takes place twice a week, on Wednesdays and Saturdays, and it's actually one of the largest and most loved markets in the Netherlands. It stretches along the picturesque New Orleans and spills into the surrounding streets, completely transforming the city center into a bustling, open air marketplace with over 200 stalls. Forgive us if you don't get the pronunciations right, we are still learning. You can find just about everything here: fresh produce, vibrant flowers, handmade clothing, antique treasures, and of course, the beloved Dutch cheese. We saw wheels of Gouda the size of car tires, freshly baked bread that still steamed in the cool air, and stall after stall of beautiful handmade goods. We couldn't resist sampling a few snacks. It's such a fun and low-key way to get taste of local flavors without the formality of sitting down in a restaurant. Street food has a way of telling a story, and here in Leiden, it tells a story of quality, culture, and pride. What really stood out was the number of local artisans showcasing their work. There were handcrafted jewelry, leather bags, quirky artworks, and even hand carved wooden toys. It reminded us that this market is not just a place to buy food, it's a living cultural space, a space where tradition meets creativity, where you get to engage with people behind the products. Since this was a spontaneous visit, we tried to be respectful. We didn't want to make vendors or shoppers uncomfortable, so we only filmed where we had permission. But even walking through quietly, there was so much to take in. Being a university town, Leiden has a lovely blend of people: students, locals, visitors, all weaving through the same space with a shared curiosity. It gives the city a youthful energy while still holding on to its deep historical roots. Surrounded by tranquil canals, beautiful bridges, and architecture that dates back centuries, Leiden genuinely feels like a postcard come to life. The rhythm of Market Day only amplifies that feeling. It's like the past and present are dancing together right in front of you. It's the small things that stay with you: the clinking of metal buckets as flowers are watered, the laughter of kids enjoying a treat, the gentle splash of water as a canal boat passes by. These simple sounds and sights make you pause and really appreciate the charm of Dutch life. One of the things we noticed was how welcoming people are. Even though Dutch is the main language, most vendors switch to English as soon as they realize you're a visitor. Just adding a smile and a warm "Dank je wel," thank you, really goes a long way. And here's a fun little fact. Many of the vendors here are part of generational businesses. Their stalls have been passed down through families, and they take genuine pride in their craft. You're not just buying bread or cheese, you're buying a slice of Leiden's living history. We didn't spend the entire day at the market. This was just a quick outing, but it left such a powerful impression. Sometimes it's the unplanned moments that leave the deepest footprints. This market reminded us of the simple beauty in everyday's life. So if you are ever in Leiden, try to plan your visit around the market day. Even if you're not shopping, just being here is an experience in itself. The colors, the culture, the community, it's something special.
Gaat de moestuin liggen. It's all about my Ik dacht dat we dan weer die kant op gaan.
Was het niet logisch?
Ik weet het niet.
Thanks for joining us on this spontaneous slice of life adventure here in Leiden. If you enjoyed this market day walkabout, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a fellow travel lover. And we'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite local market experience? Drop a comment below and tell us where you've been and what made it unforgettable. Until next time, this is Travel and Tales, exploring the world one story at a time.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess. It's you, my favorite, but I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going in. You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. We hit the sheets, you on my lips, I'm feeling the heat. That's all I need. When a day's gone, we've only begun. That's the best part, when we get it on. I'm addicted, no denying it, 'cause you don't cross my mind, you live in it. I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going in. You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. We hit the sheets, you on my lips, I'm feeling the heat. That's all I need.
I'm about to get 30. Your last one made you 30. Now you get yourself a freaking lit dude. In the mood 24/7, 16/11. So you're making it, but I'ma just stop. Stop for a moment. Do you really think that I'ma fuck you while I'm sober? I'm not. Taking Uber to your hotel, beat it like a local, 'cause you're calling back while I shut down.
You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. We hit the sheets, you on my lips, I'm feeling the heat. That's all I need. That's all I need. I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going in. You keep me biting my cheek,